Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Katie here and welcome to your daily workout. This routine is going to be a gentle routine and we are going to be doing a sensitive workout in honor of the Raw Sugar, the Sensitive One new shampoo and conditioner. And first off, I just want to say Millie Girl is joining me for this sensitive workout because first up, as you can see, she likes to take a nice nap for herself because she's nice and gentle, but she also loves the Raw Sugar products. So when Lane and I bathe Millie Girl, we love the Raw Sugar dog products for her. I just want to sidebar and say that. But I did want to just really highlight these two new products from Raw Sugar. Again, they are the Sensitive One shampoo and conditioner. And why I love the new two products from Raw Sugar so much, they are soothing, they are cleansing, but they are also fragrance-free and dye-free as well. They're made with a wonderful ingredient. For example, the shampoo hydrates with aloe and the conditioner with coconut oil, so it's so great for your hair. So make sure you guys check it out. I will put a link down below to these new products as well. They are affordable and they're wonderful. It's also, if you guys have ever struggled with eczema, they are accredited by the National Eczema Association, so we love to hear that. And because it is okay to be sensitive, and sometimes I also just want to say it's okay to take a slower workout day. Even today, for example, it's Monday and we're doing a slower, more gentle workout, right, like we are right now. That's okay. Listening to your body is so important. So with that being said, we are going to get right into the workout. I am going to start cross-legged right here. Inhale. You want to join me? You're so good. Inhale. Placing your wrists gently right on your knees, rolling your shoulders down and back with good posture. Inhale and let it go. As you exhale, make that an audible exhale so we just hear the stress, the anxiety leaving your body. Start to rock from side to side, just swaying it out right here. Again, rolling the shoulders down and back, adding a little movement to the body. Now taking those hands above head, clasping the fingers at the top. Nice big deep breath in and stretching out that side body. Now start to gently open and flutter your eyes open as you come to this side body stretch. Great. Now, as you come back to center, we're gonna lift up, opening up the chest just a little bit more. And as you exhale, those fingertips are going right behind you. So extend them back long and lift the chest to the sky. Great. Getting all the good energy from the universe into your body. And as you exhale, let's come flip around into a tabletop position. Hi, Millie Girl. So we're in that tabletop position, and I want you guys to first spread your knees as wide as the mat. You're gonna just shift the hips around to open up your lower body right here. Maybe you did a hard workout. Maybe it's day one of your period. It is for me. Sometimes I'm like, is that TMI? You know what? It's not, because these are the types of workouts that I do on my period, truly. I listen to my body. It's okay to take time off of intense workouts. Your body needs it. Great. Inhale, and as you exhale, let's square up those knees, and then taking the feet back, we're gonna hold a nice high plank. Holding this high plank right here, but now, as soon as you're in that, your butt is nice and tight, we're just gonna shift the booty back just a little to pedal out to get the calves. So pedaling out your feet slow and steady, getting some movement in your legs now, getting the blood circulated. Great. As you exhale, we're coming back to that high plank, holding this high plank right here. One knee driving towards the chest, holding that right here. Nice work, you guys. We're gonna shift low and back right up. Awesome work, you guys. It's just a tiny movement, Getting the core a little bit involved. Inhale and exhale. Great for 3, 2. On this last one, you're gonna fully drive the knee in, planting the foot right there in between your palms, and we're gonna come up for a nice static lunge. So we're gonna hold this static lunge right here, holding that, making sure you have good posture. Shoulders are down and back. Now, core is nice and tight. These glutes are nice and tight. Awesome work, you guys. Inhale, and as you exhale, let's just straighten out that back leg, coming a little bit more with your body weight on the front foot and the arms coming back, palms to the ceiling. And I want a tiny little flutter with the arms. Great work, you guys. Core tight. Getting a tiny little arm toner in right here. Great work. Again, that pressure's in the front foot. Inhale. And exhale, let it go. Great work for 3, 2. As you finish the last one, we're coming back to the static lunge with our arms overhead and then shifting back into that tricep kick back. Let's put the last 2 moves together now, you guys, and just flow through it. Going steady with your core stabilized. Beautiful. Already feeling this in the front leg. You got it. 3, 2. On the last one, slowly and gently placing that front knee onto the mat, and we're coming down, opposite hand, reaching towards that front foot, and let's just stretch it out. Awesome work. Opening up the chest. You guys, I already feel better. I literally already feel better just in 5 minutes, because I just feel like waking up sometimes on a Monday morning, again, you know the feeling if like you just don't feel yourself, you get your period, and you're like, oh, I know I should be doing a hard workout on a Monday, but this is the point, listening to your body, it's okay to be sensitive. As you shift back to center right here, we're gonna come and drop this front knee into a pigeon, again, and opening up the hips. Feel free to come right down to your elbows as well, feeling the stretch. Taking a beat right here. Feels so good to open up that hip tension, especially if you've been sitting for a little bit. Awesome. Plant the palms right back down. We're coming back to that high plank. Now, again, shifting the booty back, but this time even further than before, pedaling at your feet in a nice down dog. Great work, you guys. Hinging that booty back to feel that stretch in your back, but also your thighs a little bit more. And as you exhale, let's take that knee to nose right here. We're holding it. Beautiful. We're shifting down and up. Great. Down and up. Tiny little movement for 4, for 3, 2, last one. Now we're gonna take the foot, plant it right there in between your palms, and whenever you're ready, we're coming up for that nice static lunge hold. Again, we're perfecting our form. So, front knee doesn't go over the front toe. We're coming down, shoulders back, hold, beautiful. Inhale, and exhale. Get low, really feel it, squeeze your glutes. And as you exhale, slowly shifting forward, back leg is nice and straight, taking the arms back. Let's get that tricep kick back, flutter. The back of your arms, shoulders down and back, and core is tight. Nice work, you guys. Beautiful. Starting to feel it, you guys. Tiny little movements. They really do count. They really do add up, that's for dang sure. Nice work. Get those arms even higher. For 4, for 3, 2, and as you finish that last one, we're inhaling back to that static lunge, arms above head, exhale, and pressure in the front foot. Here we go. Really squeeze the back of the arms as you come back. Squeeze, breath flowing, nice work. Awesome for 3. Controlled for 2. And last one, slowly lowering that knee towards the mat. Opposite hand planting right there in front of that foot and opening up the chest. Beautiful, you guys. Really lengthening the fingertips. Inhale. And as you exhale, dropping that front knee into pigeon right here. Again, feel free to come onto your elbows and stretch it out. Great. If you guys follow me on any social media, you guys know that my hair care has been quite a journey. And it wasn't until I would say my mid to later 20s, like when I was like 26, 27, I finally started to care about my hair care, because when I was in my earlier 20s, I feel like my hair was still like so, I mean, I know I have pretty hair now, I'm not saying that, but I just feel like my hair started to change a lot in my mid 20s, and I didn't realize all the damage I was doing to it. And so once I focused on great products for my hair and actually put effort in, you can really see real results with your hair, just like you can for your body, I promise. Awesome. Now coming back into that high plank, shifting the booty back, down dog. Great work. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful, you guys. And coming up, shifting into that high plank, coming slowly just forward a little, lowering down on those triceps, and meet me into that cobra. Awesome. Shoulders away from your ears. And shifting the booty back, child's pose. Awesome work, you guys. Inhale. And exhale. One more big deep breath in right here. And as you come up, we're just gonna swing around onto our booty now. So, swinging around on your booty. Feel free to take a water break if you guys need. I want your feet planted right here. And we have a slow Pilates roll down with our fingertips and our palms facing the ceiling. So we're slowly rolling down each vertebrae at a time. I want arms right above head and coming right back up. Inhale. And exhale, great. We're gonna just fire up a little bit more sculpting moves and then get into a stretch. So stay with me, focus on your breath. Exhale on the way up. We have 3 more Pilates roll downs right here. Great. Last one, slowly rolling all the way down, gorgeous. And then we're gonna lift up into a hip bridge from here. So we're holding a hip bridge, holding that, beautiful. A great exercise, nice isometric hold with your glutes nice and tight, your hips are tucked under, core is tight as well, holding that right here. Nice work, you guys. Now, I want a tiny abduction. So The legs, your knees are coming slightly to the outside, just a few inches, coming back right in. Tiny abduction. And for some reason, my legs are already shaking because I'm squeezing so dang tight. We have 8, 7, 6. Great work. Keep the butt nice and high in the sky. You got it. Nice work. 3, 2, and 1. Lowering the booty towards the mat. One leg is coming nice and long, the other, and you're floating that leg, by the way. The knee is coming towards the chest, and you're picking the shoulders up off the mat. We're holding this right here. It's a great ab workout, but also a nice stretch for those inner thighs. We're gonna switch it out, bicycle out the legs, hold for 3, 2, 1, and switch. Keep breathing. And switch. Nice work. Great, you guys. Really get those shoulders up to work your abs. Just a little bit more. We have 3, for 2, for 1. Great. Resting the leg, your head on the mat. That knee is still driving towards your chest, and you're just gonna grab onto that knee and hug it extra tight to really feel that stretch. Nice work, you guys. You're feeling this in your inner thigh, of course, but also the opposite quad just a little bit, because your hips should be nice and square on the mat. Awesome. As you exhale, we're gonna take that hand, opposite hand to the knee, and pull the knee across your body. Opening up the chest. Holding this right here. Feel free to close your eyes, you guys. And let's switch. Opposite knee, you're hugging it towards your chest. Bringing it all the way where it feels right. Putting a tiny bit of pressure there just to open up your hips. Again, feel free to close your eyes. Shift the knee around just to get all angles of those inner thighs and hips. As you exhale, opposite hand grabs the knee, pulls across your body. And lengthening the opposite arm right here. Opening up the chest. Feeling this in your outer thighs as well, your glutes. And as you come back to center, you're grabbing both knees. You're gonna rock from side to side. Rocking from side to side. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna rock up for 1, 2, 3, all roll-ups, all the way, sitting right back how we started, right here. Feel free once again to close your eyes. Your wrists can relax right here on your knees, rolling the shoulders down and back. But this time, let's just take that head and roll it around. From side to side. And as you exhale, let's slowly, gently opening the eyes. I am relaxed now. I'm relaxed yet energized. I feel wonderful. I feel great. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And a huge shout out to Raw Sugar as well for bringing this video to you guys. And also reiterating the message that it's okay to be sensitive. I think we live in such a go, go, go fast world. We see a lot of hustle culture. We're on social media a lot. And it's okay to be sensitive. It's okay to take a day. It's okay to be more gentle on yourself. Not every day is gonna be 110%. And I need you guys to remember that if you're not feeling your best. Listen to your body. So thank you for joining me. Thank you to Raw Sugar. Make sure to check out their new products, the Sensitive One shampoo, conditioner. Again, fragrance-free, dye-free, soothing, cleansing, and amazing. I love you guys, and I will see you at your next daily workout.